Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, let's say. So we have to tap on this arrow in the right upper corner, and as you can see right here, we've got the timer option. Basically, currently we've got the timer turned off, which means that your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. But after tapping on this timer icon, we can see that we've got three more different options to choose from. So we've got 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Of course, right now currently we've got this off option highlighted in this orangish color. So in order to set the timer, simply tap on the option like to use. I've just picked 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon changed slightly, so we can go back to the camera and simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and it will also use this annoying sound feedback, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And of course the same situation will be with the 5 and, for example, 3 seconds delay. Just tap on it, and as you can see right now, it is counting down from 3. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.